Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to enable and disable the Assistive poll on the VIVO X300 Pro. So first of all, open settings by scrolling down from top to bottom and pressing this little gear to open settings. In settings, scroll almost all the way down. You're looking for the shortcuts and accessibility option. In this menu, scroll down to the Easy Touch option. Let's enable it by pressing here. Now you can see the Assistive ball to the right of the screen. After some time, it hides in this little notch, and to pull it out, just scroll left from the notch. The Assistive ball is used to easily navigate gestures. Let's disable it. Open settings again by scrolling down, pressing the settings button, go to shortcuts and accessibility, Easy Touch, and just disable it. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.